So hi everyone. So my name is Sebastien Leempoel, and I'm going to talk to you about data for good now, and more specifically what's happening in Belgium. So Matthew, if you can launch the PowerPoint. Good, thank you. So I'm going to focus really on what's happening in Belgium. I'm an entrepreneur in analytics. I'm actually working for now for Real Impact Analytics. It's a fast-growing startup reaching about 100 people now, based in Brussels. And we specialize in making telecom data talk. I'm also one of the co-founders with Philippe and a few others in the room here of the Brussels data science community. And I'm here because I believe in the power of data and data science to help solve social challenges. So what is data for good? Well, it's about using the simplest or the latest data science technique to help NGOs in their work to solve those big social challenges. The issue is that those NGOs, they often have a lot of data, but they don't really know how to capture the value out of it. So if we can put teams of voluntary data scientists to help them collect, analyze, and visualize these data, we can help them solve their problems using data. But on top of that, it's not only beneficial for the NGOs, it's also beneficial for the data scientists because it provides them with purpose. And they are having fun by working on those topics. They are exchanging knowledge with their peers and networking. Here you can see a few examples of global initiatives, what's happening around the world. The most famous one would be DataKind. It's the biggest network currently of data scientists working for good. They take care of issues like from schools, helping schools for disabled people to helping or diagnosing root causes of homeless poverty. But we are also very active in Belgium, and especially with the Brussels data science community. With a team of 15 people led by Edward, that was here earlier, we analyzed the behavior of Doctors Without Borders donors to understand how we could increase their donations. So we gathered weekly to crunch the data, to share experience and have fun. And after a first period of focusing on exploratory phase, I would say, we decided to focus on a few topics that you can see here, and these are the pieces of analysis that we have produced. Another example, by the way, in Brussels Data Science Community, there are more topics and more projects coming up, so please reach out if you want to get involved. One would be on marine biology with the Polish Institute of Oceanography, and the other one with Amnesty International. Another example of initiative we do in Belgium is what we're doing at Real Impact Analytics. We use telecom data to predict disease outbreaks. So how it works? It first starts by building a mathematical model to predict, to simulate disease spread. Then we will mix that with telecom data to incorporate the information of mobility and social networks that enables us to build a model and to really simulate within a real population how a disease would spread. Then we can predict in which localities, which cities is a disease going to spread, which is really helpful for the NGOs. Another example of what we're doing is food crisis alert. Someone you've seen today has published a paper that proved that there is a link between food crisis and telecom spending. So we built a tool that is going to calculate the expected expenditure in each single town, and as soon as there is a deviation that is too high, we're going to flag this city and warn the NGOs that there might be a food crisis alert. So food crisis, by the way, is when people don't have enough money to buy the healthy food, and that can relate and translate into health problems. So this is already, if I have you to remember only 3 things from this short talk, please remember that data for good is very powerful and very rewarding, that Belgium is one of the leading countries on this field, and that you can get involved. So please reach out if you want to get involved. We've got a lot of new projects to launch together. If data is the new gold, well, think about what you want to do with it. Thank you.